With these components, these are all disassembled, and once you put them all together, you end up with a rally tower. Okay, so here's our first full assembly kit laying out. There's all the bits and bobs, all the aluminium pieces, bars, and we've got our screen, lights, our backplate protection, side panels, and our large structure, early structure. Okay, Manus, can you explain to us what you're currently busy doing?
At the moment I am busy putting on the side panel D-clips. I'm fitting them.
And they usually go in quite hard when they're new.
And they're just out of the package. They don't fit as easy, but once they are in, they are in.
Just a quick explanation. We've got this as a backing plate, which is really great. It goes behind the lights, and it bends around the bottom, and it basically just gives some mud protection for anything that comes from the front if you get roosted, as well as from the bottom. So it's just more protection for your wires. So Manus, you can just start the assembly. I'm not going to do the whole video there. Okay, so these are the tools of the trade, and this is currently the assembly unit for one of our clients, and we pre-build it and then we send it. You'll see everything is now assembled, so the client can quite easily disassemble and mount it himself. We've got the new lights on. There we go. All we need to do now is put the stickers on and we should be ready to go. Okay, so here is the original sticker design that I did for my bike. You'll see the 690 there, and it's now KTM orange and stuff, but we've now been inspired with Motorix. We've got a Red Bull design inspired, then we've got the new 1290 Super Enduro inspiration, and then just normal black with rally at the back. These are our shock stickers with the bull that's straight up, so this will be skew on the bike. Then we've got name stickers. This is for myself and Steve Miller. And then we've got a swing arm stickers, and for good measure we've got some where are they now? There we go. We've got some screen stickers, and there's the screen stickers that fit on the rally screen. I'll show you, they fit there on the rally screen. And then just for good measure, we've got some Rampage stickers for the riders. So it's all coming together quite well, and we will be assembling our first production units now. Okay, so just to show you that this all assembles into this awesome unit that rounds off the bike.